I'm hearing something regarding a move you just made, or a move that you are about to make, that's ultimately shifting your reality for your highest good. The Empress on the bottom of the deck. You may have recently had another awakening, stepping into a portal, so to speak, quantum leaping into your authentic energy. The full moon is very significant. This past full moon that was in Scorpio is very, very potent. You may be very intuitively led at this time, extremely connected to yourself. I feel like you surrendered something. There's like this chill energy about you, very chill, very intentional. I feel like you have a very clear understanding of yourself right now. A very clear channel of energy that is allowing you to flow with the divine energy, flow with your divine intelligence. You may be less inclined to underestimate yourself at this time when it comes to listening to what you feel guided to do. I feel like you're more inclined to trust yourself, trust your path. See beyond what you hide from, what you've been hiding from. I feel like you're stepping into a timeline where you're not afraid to open your heart more. You're not afraid to visualize success. Maybe the idea of success has burdened you. The idea of visualizing your dreams to come into fruition, your inner child's dreams as well, with this Page of Pentacles energy, Page of Wands, King of Cups. This path that you're being led on now is more intuitively led. It's more from the heart. It's more intrinsically motivated. It's centered around, it's like your identity, the way you're seeing yourself is something that you've been, reprogramming your sense of self. And I feel like you are holding space for compassion at this time when it comes to the journey that you're being led on, and the progress you're making in your approach to deepen into your heart, your approach to expanding your horizons is allowing you the space to trust more. Because you have this like rootedness within your chakras, this innate understanding of who you are. It's like you're stripping away everything that you aren't. So your intuition and discernment is something that's really strong right now. And this may have been the portal that you stepped into, where the frequency, you turn something up a notch. Your understanding of yourself, your awareness, your sense of self. Again, like your perception is shifting, which is shifting your reality into a space of the Fool and the Eight of Wands. It's shifting you into a timeline of igniting your passions, walking firmly in your power, without fear, without limits, and not pushing your needs and desires on the back burner anymore. Like standing 10 toes down in your purpose. We have the Ace of Wands. Taking up space. There's an energy about you that's like gentle, but it's loud at the same time. It's gentle, it's exuberant though. It's ecstatic, it's loud, but it's graceful. Like you are tuned in to the vibrancy. Yes, the light, the lens of love, the lens of excitement, the flow state of energy that you've cultivated for yourself is igniting the path forward. It's creating more space for you to feel like you belong, to feel like you can release these limitations in your heart. You can release the feelings of insecurities and wanting to feel like you can't release the burdens and release what doesn't serve you. And simply coming back to the now moment is something that you are continuously leading with, is new beginnings, always shedding, always letting go. So be proud of where you are, because you are being led into such a beautiful, beautiful journey. Keep going. I see you.